Hi friends, here is the complete user guide for creating merchandise QR codes. Before we start, make sure to subscribe QRCodeChimp for our best offers and promotions and press the bell icon. Go to QRCodeChimp.com. Sign in, and go to Dashboard. Click on Merchandise QR Code section on Sidebar. And then click on Create Merchandise QR Code. You may choose the QR code type from the drop-down menu. For instance, let's select vCard Plus. Give a name to your merchandise QR code and click on Create. Let's decorate the QR code first. Click on Decorate button. Choose the shape option which fits the best for your purpose. You may select predefined QR designs. Now, let's apply the sticker with call to action to get more scans. Add colors to make it attractive. You can change QR body shape. You may add your own logo by uploading it. Adjust the logo using a scale. You may apply 3D effect as well. Let's close this design section to continue saving. Click on Save QR Code. Now click on Generate New Batch to create Merchandise QR Codes batch. Enter batch name and batch count, then click on Create. You can create a batch of up to 500 QR codes in one go. Wait for a few seconds until the Download QR Code option comes. Now, click on the Download QR Codes. Choose the required file format. Also choose QR code size. Check the box to add name below QR. Click on Download and save QR code zip file. Click on OK, and you are done. You can also download the Excel file to get the QR code URLs. When someone claims the QR code on scanning, it will reflect in your dashboard. That's it for this tutorial. Subscribe for more such helpful videos. Thank you for watching this video. Explore more QR code solutions by visiting QRCodeChimp.com.